and. And is a really common conjunction in the English language. And now I can't stop saying and. We can say love and pain. Or if you want, you can be like the singer and say love and pain. Some people say to mean and, some people say an to mean and some people say and to mean and. Yes, so there are 3 different ways to say and. Also, you can use in. Instead of pronouncing your short I, you can shorten it to just n. Just like beans and dip. No, wait. Chips and dip. What would you dip a bean in? That wouldn't make any sense. Bean dip is real, but beans and dip. Beans in your dip?